Hi friends, in this episode we'll see the judiciary in Azerbaijan. Constitutional court. There are 9 judges in this court. The term of judge is 15 years. The age of retirement of a judge is 70 years. Judges are appointed by Parliament on recommendation of President of Republic of Azerbaijan. This court looks into the issues like protection of human rights, interpretation of constitution. Then we have Supreme Court. This is the ultimate appeal court in all matters, that is civil cases, criminal cases and administrative cases. The number of judges in this court is determined by Judicial Legal Council. Parliament elects judges on recommendation of President of Republic of Azerbaijan. Then we have Appellate Court. Number of judges in this court is determined by Judicial Legal Council. There are 6 appeal courts. Then we have District Court. This court is called as Court of First Instance. These courts are in districts and in towns. Specialized Court. Grave Crime Court. The offences which are termed as serious crimes as per the Criminal Code of Republic of Azerbaijan are tried in this court. Then we have Military Court. This court deals with crime against military service and crimes committed by military service. Then we have Economic Court. This court deals with various economic disputes. Now a different feature, access to European Court of Human Rights. As Republic of Azerbaijan is member of Council of Europe, hence any citizen of Azerbaijan can appeal to the European Court of Human Rights if the human right embodied in European Convention on Human Rights are violated. So friend, these were the judiciary as we have seen in the Constitution of Azerbaijan. In our next episode, we will see the other features in the Constitution of Azerbaijan. Thank you.